Hey, what's your name?
Hi, Lauren.
What phone do you use?
Oh, it's an S25 Ultra. I just got it.
Nice. So, what are you up to?
I just shot this birthday message for my friend, but ugh, this wind.
Oh no, that's an easy fix. Can I show you?
Sure.
You can erase background noises from videos on the spot. Watch.
Hey girl, happy birthday! I wish
Adjust
we were
the sound
celebrating
level.
Together, but I know you're living your fancy new life in
And
Seoul.
done.
Hey girl, happy birthday! I wish we were celebrating together, but I know
Whoa.
you're living your fancy new life in
It got rid of the
Can't wait
wind.
to see you this spring when you're home. Love you so much.
I don't have to redo it. Wow.